So we are doing our first exploring of Chania. There are really good looking places to eat. There's a huge portion of this city that's just for walking. We're just really excited for what's to come in the next 30 days. What are you guys doing right here?
So I just went to the market. Watch out, cat. I got a giant avocado and 2 big green bell peppers. I was expecting it to be like a couple dollars. I look at the total, 80 cents. 80 cents for all those things. Amazing. And now I have all these cats following me home. I don't know why, but bye guys.
I got 4 Greek beers. I have Alpha, Fix, Hellas, Amstel, Candia. That's really good. Definitely better than the last one. So at least I'm back to drinking good beer.
Beer.
Fix, Hellas. That one is good as well. The Cretan beer first, the Fix Hellas second, and then the Alpha third, and the Amstel last.
One of our favorite things about the food in Greece was actually the food we cooked ourselves at home. We prioritized eating on a budget, and it was easy to do because the markets were filled with locally grown and cheap fruits and veggies. Conveniently, 2 of these markets were just up the path from our house. I'm going to show you what a trip to the market looks like to make loaded Mediterranean flatbreads, which was our go-to meal in Greece. Then I'll chef them up at our Airbnb so you can see how delicious they look for yourself. I went to this market first to buy some vegetables. I got a red onion, red and green bell peppers, and a cucumber. My total here was only 90 cents. Then I walked down the street to the bigger supermarket to pick up everything else. I got feta cheese, pita bread, and tomatoes. I already had balsamic glaze, chili flakes, chickpeas, and hummus at home. First, rinse your chickpeas and get them boiling. Then, wash all your produce and get chopping. Strain your chickpeas once they're softened and toast your pita bread. Then spread your hummus, add some chili flakes, and start loading on your toppings. Finish with some pepper and balsamic glaze and enjoy your loaded Mediterranean flatbreads. Here we go.
This is what we're working with. We're here at this place called Kukuvaya, which is supposedly the best place to watch the sunset in all of Chania. And we got here a little early. We still have about an hour till the sun goes down. So we're gonna order something to eat and enjoy our time.
This is the bakery we come to every morning to get breakfast. It's right by our house.
This is what we always get. It's a pastry filled with spinach and cheese.
Really good. Excuse me, birds.